Hello, my students. Today is July 2020. Please copy the date. Topic: Customers. Performance phrases using by customers. Okay. The seller asks you, "Can I help you?" "No, thanks. I am just looking." Okay? Only look. Only look. "No, thanks. I'm just looking." Only look. Look the dress. Okay, this is the phrase, the customer. Or yes, thanks. And she asks, "Do you have this in medium? Do you have this in medium?" Yes. Continue. I need that you please copy and make a drawing. Pueden hacer unos dibujos pequeños donde se vean los diálogos del cliente. "Can I help you?" "No, thanks. I'm just looking." "Do you have this in medium? Do you have this in medium?" "I need a new outfit." "I need a new outfit." This is all. She needs a new outfit. I need a new outfit. Cuando necesiten decirle a las personas que necesitan una nueva traje, medida, nuevo traje, un nuevo vestido. I need a new outfit. Can you show me some sweaters? Can you show me some sweaters? Okay. This is other phrase. And may I try it on? When you look this blouse and you can't go and wear this. Okay. May I try it on? ¿Cómo puedo medírmela? Algo así. Me permite. May I try it on? Okay, my students, I need that you make a small picture, then you write the phrases that the customer say. Ya habíamos hecho las frases que dice el vendedor. Por favor, necesito que las anoten en sus cuadernos para posteriormente utilizarlas y repasarlas y aprenderlas. Okay? And now, no thanks, I'm just looking. Only 4. Son solamente 4. Do you have this in medium? I need a new outfit. I need a new outfit. And can you show me some sweaters? Okay, this is the activity for today. Goodbye. See you. Bye.